Why do dogs tilt their heads when hearing strange sounds? Dogs tilting their heads when hearing strange sounds is a very cute behavior, but also has many meanings. When tilting their heads, dogs can adjust their ears in the direction of the sound to accurately determine the source of the sound. In addition, this also helps them observe their owner's facial expressions more clearly, thereby easily reading human emotions and reactions. Some scientists believe that dogs also tend to tilt their heads to avoid blocking their view with their muzzle, helping them see more clearly. This action shows both curiosity and a sign of attention and interest, showing that dogs are really trying to communicate and connect with their surroundings.